puncture as I remove the needle over the wire and advance the catheter over the guide wire. Once the catheter is close to position, I'm going to change hands and hold counter traction just distal to the site, and then just spin the catheter and wire together over this. I've left lots of wire outside the catheter to be sure that I don't lose the wire. The point is to try to get the vessel catheterized in one puncture, and also to advance the catheter into the hole you've made as soon as possible. Important to keep the target right in the middle of your field. We'll break through the skin. As we get closer to the artery, we'll see the artery move away from the needle and indent the anterior wall. And we can still wiggle in place as we need. That's the needle off to the side a little bit, so we're going to try to compensate by coming in a little more to the left. You see the anterior wall indented, and then the artery is obviously entered. Guide wire is passing easily.